If you want to create professional-looking videos, you don't necessarily need an expensive camera. All you need is a smartphone. With the right settings and the right camera app, you can actually create professional quality videos using your phone. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video: how to use your smartphone like a professional camera. I'll open the Open Camera app in a moment, but first, let's check the camera that comes with my phone. This is my phone's default camera. As you can see, the image quality may look okay, but the picture doesn't have that much sharpness or detail. Now let me open the Open Camera app and show you the difference. Look at this. The picture quality and sharpness are much better. So, if you want to shoot professional-looking videos with your smartphone, I highly recommend installing this app. Open Camera is available on the Google Play Store, so you can download and install it directly from there. Once you've installed the app, open it. But before you start recording, there are a few settings you need to change. One of the biggest advantages of Open Camera is that it supports an external microphone, which many standard smartphone camera apps don't properly support. It also allows you to lock your focus on a specific object, which is really useful when shooting videos. So let's set it up. Open the Settings menu and then go to Video Settings. At the top, you'll see the Video Resolution option. Here, select 4K for the highest video quality available on your phone. Next, make sure Video Stabilization is turned on for smoother footage. Under Video Format, you can select MPEG 4 or H.264 for better compatibility and video quality. For maximum duration, select No Limit. And for the maximum file size, select the highest available option. Now scroll down until you find Audio Source. Here you can select External Microphone if you're using a wired or compatible external mic. And that's it. Your basic settings are now complete, and your smartphone is ready for professional video recording. With the right settings and a good external microphone, you can get much better results without investing in an expensive camera.